Tired of eBay sending your packages to the wrong address? Here is how to set your primary shipping address in under 30 seconds. I will walk you through the exact steps, from your profile to making an address primary. Let us get started. So the first thing you want to do is log into your eBay account. Once you are on the homepage, look up in the top left corner. You will see something that says, "Hi, your name," or just a little icon of a person. Hover your mouse over that. This is your profile area, and pretty much all the important account settings live right here. Once that menu pops up, you will see a list of options. The one you're looking for is halfway down. It says Account Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is the control center for your entire eBay experience, so it is a good page to get familiar with. Now, you will be on a page with a sidebar on the left. That sidebar has a lot of different sections, from personal information to payments and everything in between. What we need is under the Personal Information section. You will see an option called Addresses. Click on that one. This page shows you every address eBay has saved for you. You will have your primary registered address up top, and then a separate section for shipping addresses. Scroll down a little bit until you see the heading that says Shipping Addresses. This is where all your saved shipping locations live, like your home, your work, maybe a family member's house. Now look through that list and find the address you want to be your default. Maybe it is your home address that you use for most of your orders. Maybe you moved recently and need to update things. Whatever the reason, find the one that should be your go-to shipping location. This is where a lot of people get confused, because eBay will default to whatever address you have set as primary during checkout, so make sure you pick the right one. Once you have found the right address, look to the right side of it. You will see a few small action links. One of them says, Make it primary. Click that. This tells eBay, hey, this is the address I want to use first for all my future purchases. And here is the important part. After you click that, you need to make sure it actually saves. Look for a blue Save button at the bottom of that address box and click it. I have seen people skip this step and wonder why their settings did not stick. eBay will not automatically save your change, so just take that one extra second to hit save. And that is it. You are all set. Now, the next time you buy something on eBay, your new primary shipping address will automatically be selected at checkout. No more guessing games, no more sending packages to the wrong place. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and I will catch you in the next one.